Come with me to Albania for my birthday trip. So we used London Stansted Airport and we traveled with Ryanair. Our flight was around 4:10 p.m. and we boarded on time, although we did not leave until around 4:30 p.m. This was my first time flying Ryanair, and although I've heard horrible things about the airline, my experience was actually seamless. Everything went on nicely, and we bought a few things on the flight, and the flight was very smooth. We landed at Tirana International Airport at around 8 p.m. and that's because Albania is 1 hour ahead of the UK. The immigration checks was quite smooth. The officer just asked us how many days we are staying, where we are going to, where we are coming from, and that was it. There was also the self-checkout point for people with passports that doesn't need immigration checks. This is me waiting for my luggage. It didn't take long for the luggages to come, and we headed out of the airport. We had rented a car and drove all the way. In fact, I don't want to talk about how we got lost, but we eventually found our way to the hotel. Apparently, my partner had connived with the hotel for a surprise birthday package. So even when I was saying, I'm hungry, I want to eat, and then the hotel was like, the kitchen is closed, not knowing that they had kept some food for us in the hotel room. I was so happy. I was just dancing with the balloons, eating and acting like a baby, like I have not seen balloons before. But it was such a nice welcome. It put me in so much high mood. I'm going to show you guys a tour of the room properly in the next vlog, because I want to do that as a separate video. But this hotel was everything and more. I can't even tell you guys. Just make sure that you follow me and like this video, so that I'm going to post the part 2, and then I'm going to give a tour of the hotel, and I'm going to show you guys what we did on the second day. This hotel was in Durrës in Albania. It is about 45 minutes drive from the airport. So yeah, stay tuned and follow me for part 2, part 3 and part 4 of my stay in Albania. Thanks for watching, guys.